right. Time to go to work, gents. Guys, Johnny with Blades of Grass Lawn Care. Have you ever had a customer that you suggest how to do a certain job and they refuse to listen to you and they want to get it done? And the liability is pretty high? Well, I have one of those situations. Remember when I posted this video? Bam, and it's up there, either here or there, somewhere up there. And basically it's in regards to a customer that have rocks in their plant beds, and they wanted me to trim all the way down with the string trimmer and just spray it with some herbicide. And I gave them a lot of suggestions on how to fix the situation where we can easily take a torch and kill all the weeds, or we can remove the rocks, put landscape fabric, put rocks on top, or we can again, after the torch thing, put preen or some type of pre-emergent to stop the weeds from growing, or just put down some mulch. And they don't want to do it. They say, you know, no, I'd just rather you keep doing it the way you're doing it. So basically what they want me to do is just, they will spray it. They sprayed it on their own with some non-selective herbicide, which is something like Roundup, glyphosate. And all I have to do is come in and kind of string trim it and bring it down for them. And they want to continue on doing that. Now tell me in the description below, would you continue doing it? I mean, they're paying for the job, and I have no liability. Okay, if something breaks, whatever the case might be, you know, it's on them. And yes, it is in writing, but let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. You know, there's nothing over here that can break, but they want me to just trim that down, you know, trim all the little weeds and stuff like that. And they sprayed it on their own. And the one that I hate doing is the one over here, even though I'm not liable. I don't want to do it, and I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, this makes no sense. I can see myself trimming this and being liable to pay for a glass. Especially a glass like that. Nah. Yeah. So no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it, and if I lose the account, that's fine. Even though, you know, they're stating and it is in writing, I don't feel comfortable. You know what I mean? I honestly don't feel comfortable doing it, and it's to the point where I kept telling them, listen, we can't do it this way, A, B, C, D. As a matter of fact, in the last video, I took the weeds all the way down and we sprayed it. So, but what happened is within the past 2-3 months, and again, this is the South, where weeds grow extremely fast. They didn't spray it, and as you can tell, now when everything is 5-6 inches, now they want to spray it and they want to hit it. So I'm gonna call the customer and let them know. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna send them a quick text, let them know that we're only mowing the lawn, and we're not going to hit that with the string trimmer, because again, I'm not comfortable with it, and I'm not gonna do it. Simple as that. Now, put in a comment below, guys. You guys tell me, what would you have done? You know, would you take on a task, even though you know for a fact, guys, I'm telling you, I know this, I'm going to break something, and it's in writing. You know what I mean? What would you do, man? Put in a comment below. Let me know. All right.